Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we've been pushing up very hard. We ended up making a higher low, and the significant part is that we made one, two, three waves down with a higher low. Likely it is an ABC correction, and if it is an ABC, it will likely go back up and take out the previous highs. Doesn't mean that it might not possibly pull back. Obviously, this is an area of resistance before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Today is FOMC interest rate news, and that is definitely a very big news event. So we definitely want to be careful. And I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube. So make sure you come back and check that out. Anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, looks like price is trying to break structure. We'll see if it really does or not. It really hasn't held below structure yet. But if it does break below structure, then I would have my Fibonacci retracement only on the last impulsive up, which is from here to here. And I would just observe the market to see if it made like a three-way pullback and another entry to go long, or if it went all the way down here and broke structure to the downside, which would signify possibly a bigger move to the downside. But based on the daily time frame, I think we need to assume that anything we see to the downside is likely just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.